In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the news feed from the new tab page in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If you're tired of seeing news stories, articles, and a cluttered new tab every time you open the browser, this simple setting will help you clean it up in just a few clicks. This is a great way to make Edge feel more minimal, more focused, and easier to use every day. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, click the plus sign to open a new tab. This is where you'll usually see the newsfeed, trending stories, and other content below the search bar. Now look to the top right corner of the new tab page. You should see a small gear-shaped icon. This is the page settings button and it controls how your new tab page looks. Go ahead and click that gear icon. A menu will appear with a few layout and content options. In that menu, look for the setting related to content and change it to Content Off. This is the key step that removes the newsfeed from the new tab page. Once you select Content Off, Microsoft Edge will immediately update the page and the news section should disappear. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the tab or open a new one again. You should now see a much cleaner new tab page with less clutter and just the essentials. This is especially useful if you prefer a distraction-free browsing experience or you just don't want news showing up every time you launch a new tab. That's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've removed the news feed from the Microsoft Edge new tab page. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful browser tips, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Microsoft Edge settings in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.